Hey everyone, this is Scarred Galaxy, and today we are going to be making a sticky note icosahedron. So I already made a video on how to make the unit, which is needed to make the icosahedron. So I'll put a link down in the description, so be sure to check out that video, otherwise you aren't going to be able to make this. So you need to have 30 of these units. So I have them right here. So we're just going to set those aside, and so you notice that on the unit we have some pockets right here that we made when we folded these underneath. So you're going to take another unit and you are going to stick the tip into that pocket. So now you should have this. Now you're going to take another one and you're going to stick this tip. So you're going to stick this tip into this pocket right here, like that. Then you're going to take this point and you're going to stick it into that pocket. So now you should have this. So now we're going to go to one of the sides and we're going to place a sticky note in like that. And we're going to take another unit like this, and so you stick it in like that, in there, and then you take this and you stick it in there. So now you should have two. Then get some more. So then you just keep going around the circle, just adding two. So there are three different areas on the icosahedron. There's the top, the bottom, and the middle layer. So right now, working on the top. So once you have four of these triangles, so you want to have 5 of these triangles on the top and the bottom. So what you're going to do is, it's like this. So you take this right here, take it out, and stick it in this pocket right here, like that. So now, if you take one more unit, and you throw it on right there, we now have 5 on the top. So that's the top layer. Now we're going to work on the middle layer. So we're going to take some units, and so you take one unit, you stick it on to this one, so they're hanging down from the previous units, so you stick that right there, like so. Oops. Okay, so you're going to stick it on like that, and you're just going to make triangles. So it goes in a pattern. So if it's below a triangle on the top layer, it's going to be an upside down triangle like that. But if it's in between two triangles, it's going to be a right side up triangle. So now, as you can see, there's our top layer, and this one is underneath one of the triangles on the top layer, so it's going to be like that. Then this one is in between these two, so it's going to be right side up. So then, once you've done that, take one on the next one below the triangle and stick it on on that pocket in the right side up unit. So like that. And then just keep going around in that way. So like that. And then you're going to make another upside down triangle. Like that. So there we go. So now we're going to take this one. I'm going to stick it back on this, like so. And then we're going to take our next unit we're going to put it on. Like that. And now for the right side up one. Another unit. And another unit. Then, once again, we're going to take this. We're going to stick it into that one. Like that. And I think, nope. Okay. So, okay, so we're on our right side up triangle now.
We're here.
Okay.
Come on.
Wait. Okay. So, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. And there's a right side up triangle. Like that. Okay. Then we stick that right there. And there we go. This last unit completes the middle layer. So now we have the top. Now we have a row around the middle. So now we're going to work on the bottom. It's very, very similar to the top layer. So, although a lot of the units are already there. So like that. And that. Then we're going to stick that in there. We're going to stick that in there. And then we're going to do this. We're going to stick that right there. And we're going to, oops. That one popped out. Okay. So now we have, oops. Another unit, again. Oh, shoot. So, just about here, my mom started to talk to me. So, yeah, don't get too worried. You'll still see the video going. But my mom started talking to me, so, just to keep stuff private, I'm just gonna keep talking right here until that's finished. So, we're almost done, so that's pretty good. Almost talking to me. Okay, so now we have 3 left. And you're just going to make a triangle out of those 3. Squish it together. And there you go. Now you have a sticky note icosahedron. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like down below. Be sure to slap that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you never miss another video. Peace out.